This video is a tutorial about how to use your Liminal Newberry FXHash generative art token in the Anaverse. If you're unfamiliar with the Anaverse, you might want to jump over to anaver.se and drop in. We were just dropped into Liminal Newberry 26, and you'll see it's a 3D environment, virtual world that has a replica of the NFT Museum of Newberry, South Carolina displayed, and you can walk through this space. This is very similar to the layout of the actual museum itself, where we project and display both digital and physical NFTs inside the museum, and on the outside we have initiatives and projects where we project digital art onto the walls throughout the city. And in order to experience this space, you need to hold a Liminal Newberry NFT. There are other worlds that you can also purchase on FXHash, other environments, but this video is to focus primarily on Liminal Newberry. In order to get a Liminal Newberry token, you'll want to visit FXHash.xyz. This is a generative art marketplace on the Tezos blockchain. Search for Liminal Newberry and go ahead and click into the token. Go ahead and mint one and then head over to the Anaverse. Okay, so once you're in the Anaverse, you're going to want to load your Liminal Newberry token. So you do that by pressing L for the room loader. And I want to grab Liminal Newberry 32. So here I am, dropped in. And then we're going to want to load our gallery of images, or our gallery of NFTs. So you do that by pressing G. Here they are. Choose the file for your random gallery from your downloads. Once that's loaded, go ahead and press it. It'll drop you back into the space, except this time you've got all of your NFTs. Oh no, I fell off. You've got all of your NFTs displayed throughout Liminal Newberry. You can purchase as many Liminal Newberries as you want. You can curate as many exhibitions or displays as you'd like. You know, if you want to do different themes, if you want to focus on a specific artist, have at it. It's only one TES each. There are a lot of other tokens you can use to load in, like you see the sand dunes here. That's an NFT. There are various handheld items, various other objects that you can load into these worlds as well. So I encourage you to go to Anaglyphic's collections, take a look at some of his work, and just keep building. It's an amazing tool. We're thankful for the collaboration with Anaglyphic, and we hope you enjoy the token. Have some fun.